In this video, we'll go over how to use the staff check-in and check-out feature with Your On Time appointment software. And don't forget, you can find other useful training videos on our website and on our YouTube channel. The staff check-in, check-out functionality is a simple way for your staff to clock on and off at the beginning of their shift and also at its completion. First, you must enable PIN numbers within your system so staff can begin the checking in process. To do this, click Settings on the left side menu. Under the Staff heading, click on Staff General Settings. In the PIN number details section, tick the checkbox for require users to log into the system with a PIN number. Scroll down and save. For your staff to be able to use this feature, you must also assign your staff with their very own PIN number and login username. To do this, click on Manage Staff under the Staff heading. Select the staff member you wish to assign a PIN number to, and once in the Details screen, scroll down to the Security fields. Begin entering the staff member's chosen PIN number as well as a chosen login username. Tick the Available for Self-Check-In box to allow your staff check-in access. Once you have completed these steps, click Save and your staff member details will be updated with their new login details. Now, to begin the process of checking in, your staff will need to first log into You're On Time. Staff will simply need to enter the common staff username, password and the business code. Once all the fields are entered, click Login. Once logged in, your staff will be prompted to enter their PIN number immediately. Enter the PIN number, then click Enter. You can customize You're On Time and have each staff member presented with the staff check-in and check-out pop-up at the beginning of their first shift each day. You can find this in Staff General Settings. Once the staff check-in check-out box appears, it will display the staff member's name, date and check-in time. All that is left to do now is click OK. Alternatively, staff can click on their name in the top right corner and select Staff Check-in Check-out as another means of checking in. To view your staff check-in and out times, just head to Staff Rosters on the left side menu and click on Checked In Hours, located next to Work Schedule. You're On Time, helping to make your business more successful.